Hi guys! So in today's video we're going to be cleaning this dusty TV stand. So if you want to know how it went from this to this, and keep watching. So today I'm going to be using these Dettol antibacterial wipes, but the trick is not to use it wet. So what I suggest you do is leave one out of the packet and wait until it goes dry. Here's one I left out earlier. You can see it's dry, not wet, and the reason why I let it go dry is because it will catch the dirt more easily than if it was wet. I've also got paper towel here, and let's see which one will clean it better. You can see paper towel does clean it, but it's leaving a lot of residue behind. Now let's see what it will look like with the dried antibacterial wipe. See how smooth and clear that is, and this is what I've got off the dust that has easily come off there. And this is what's come off the paper towel. The paper towel, the dust is moving around and it still stays there. You can see it's moving around, but let's use the dried antibacterial wipe. You'll see it's completely sticks to it and doesn't move around. See how smooth that is? This is how it looks now. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.